Hey everyone, it's Victoria Fisk here. Today we're tackling procrastination. Whether it's delaying a project or avoiding tasks, we've all been there. But what if you could be the 1% who doesn't procrastinate? Let's dive in and find out how. Let's understand why we procrastinate. It's natural, everyone does it. Procrastination often stems from fear, uncertainty, or feeling overwhelmed. But guess what? You can change that. Break tasks into smaller steps. Big tasks can feel daunting, but smaller steps make them manageable. Start small and build momentum. Set clear, achievable goals. Having a specific target makes it easier to focus and act. Ensure your goals are SMART: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Eliminate distractions. Identify what pulls you away from your tasks and remove those distractions. Create a space where you can focus. Use the Pomodoro technique. Work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Repeat to maintain focus and prevent burnout. You'll be amazed at your productivity. Accountability. Stay accountable. Share your goals with a friend or mentor. Regular check-ins can motivate you to stay committed and make progress. Just start. The hardest part is taking the first step. Once you begin, it gets easier. Remember, progress over perfection. Challenge. Here's your challenge. Be the 1% who takes action. Pause this video, get off your device, and tackle that task you've been putting off. Trust me, you'll feel incredible. And there you have it, strategies to beat procrastination and join the 1% who take action. If you found this helpful, like, comment, and subscribe for more. Now go be successful. Stay fabulous and focused.